Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we will explore how to change the visibility of your workspace in the Trello app on your phone. Whether you want to make your workspace private or public, this guide will help you navigate the Trello interface quickly. First, open the Trello app on your phone. Next, locate the workspace whose visibility you want to change. Next, tap on the three-dot menu located next to the current workspace name. This will reveal additional options for managing your workspace. Then, click on the Settings icon at the top right. Once in the Settings, tap on Visibility option. You will see options to make your workspace private, meaning only invited members can see it, or public, allowing anyone to view the workspace. After selecting your preferred option, confirm the change. Finally, review your workspace to ensure the visibility setting has been updated correctly. Making your workspace private is useful for confidential projects, while public visibility works well for collaborative or community-focused boards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.